90% of the people don't follow a proper dental routine. Hi, I'm Miss Leong, an oral health therapist at i.Dental. Let me show you the right way to get a healthy smile without any expensive treatment. Start off with flossing. Use a C-shaped method to floss in between each tooth to remove any gunk or debris between your teeth. Next, this step is optional, but if you have a water flosser, use it to rinse out any leftover debris. This will be great for people with braces or tight gaps between their teeth. But remember, this does not replace your regular floss. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes with small regular motions at a 45-degree angle towards your gum line. Be gentle, you do not want any unnecessary bleeding. This clear plug protects your enamel and prevent cavities. Next is tongue cleaning. Your tongue is where most of the bad breath bacteria live. So use the tongue scraper to remove that layer to keep your breath fresh and reduce bacteria in your mouth. Lastly, end off with an alcohol-free mouthwash. You will wash away any leftover germs, strengthen your enamel with fluoride without drying your mouth out. It takes a few extra minutes to clean your teeth properly, but it prevents cavities, gum disease, and bad breath, saving you pain in the long run.